this Palabok from Jollibee. This is not much, but I have to take a 1 minute challenge. You see this Palabok from Jollibee? This is not much, but I have to take a 1 minute challenge. Join with me if I can finish this in 1 minute. Okay? I'll mix it first and we'll start the timer soon. Okay? Wait, it looks like the Palabok is hot, so I have to wear my hat. You know, if it's hot, wear a hat. Okay, let's start right now. Looks like it's too much. I lose. I lose. Gone. But I lose. Next time, I'll keep practicing. I'll go back again to Jollibee. Okay? Thank you, guys. You see this? This is the mango peach. You guys think that there will be a time to eat this? No way, I'm so full already. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog, okay? I don't have to eat it again. I'm so full. Or maybe I'll take half of it.